In this video, we're going to talk about our new Sony Burano accessories that are now shipping. We also have a couple prototypes, which we'll look at later, including the pass-through adapter for the FX9 handle and an extension cable for the viewfinder, so you can attach the viewfinder somewhere other than right here on the camera body. What's on the camera right now is our base kit, and that includes the top plate, which has 1/4, 20, and 3/8 mounting points, as well as the ARRI standard accessory mount. We also have M4x20 holes for attaching rod clamps and other accessories. The center of the top plate is an ARCA Swiss standard dovetail clamp, and we've attached our ARCA top handle to that. The ARCA top handle also has accessory mounts, and on the front and back, a shoe mount. On the front of the ARCA handle, we've attached a sideways 15mm rod opening, and that's great for attaching the viewfinder system that comes with the camera. So we slide in our 15mm rod, lock that down. An optional item for the base kit is our EVF pivot adapter. This allows you to convert from EVF to LCD without tools. You just grab and twist. On the bottom, we have our baseline 15mm lightweight base plate, and you can quick release the camera in two ways. On top, we have an ARCA dovetail slot, so we unlock the right side thumb screw, slide back, push the safety button. You can see we have a slotted design, so you can actually slide this forward and add a vertical lens support post if you're using something other than the included PL mount. The bottom of the base plate is an ARRI standard dovetail interface, and you can quick release by unlocking the left side thumb screw, push the safety button on the left side, and lift off. To reinstall, drop down, wait for the click, adjust your counterbalance, and then lock the thumb screw. Some people want to use the FX9 handle on the Burano for the electronic control and the My Shoe interface. And to do that with our top plate, you'll remove the top handle using the ARCA Swiss dovetail slot. Then we'll add our pass-through FX9 handle adapter, and this will plug into your camera body. And we'll tighten it down using a 2.5mm Allen wrench. Now we're ready to install the FX9 handle, and we have markings on the top plate that tell us where to put it. We'll align the handle with the connector, push that down. Okay, now we'll add our 1/4, 20 screws into the top plate. A couple options for the center ARCA channel on our top system include our top plate with 1/4, 20, and 3/8 on the center. This is great for underslinging the camera body. We also have a DJI Ronin 2 adapter plate, as well as a Movi Pro adapter plate. And these slide into the channel and allow a very large range of adjustment. So you can unlock this, slide the dovetail forwards and backwards, and you can have your camera balanced without a super long adapter plate. The mid kit includes the previous base kit items plus a few additions. On top, we've added a longer 15mm rod to replace the one that comes with the camera, and this allows you to position the viewfinder in a more comfortable way. Plus, you can add an optional microphone shock mount that attaches to the 15mm rod. The EVF pivot is included in the mid kit, and we've added 2 cage NATO arms to the sides of the top plate. This goes from an ARRI accessory 3/8 mount to an ARRI Rosette. Then we have a NATO rail with safety pins on each end. Since this is an ARRI Rosette, you can unlock this screw and change to a new position. Combined with Sony's EVF knuckle, which is based on a NATO clamp, you can attach it directly to the camera body. Another option is to remove the NATO rail and put hand grips directly onto the rosettes on each side of the top plate. You can also change the orientation of the ARRI Rosette by unlocking this screw and moving to a new locating pin position. You can also attach the NATO rail directly to the camera body using the ARRI Rosette here on the side. This is great for attaching wireless video transmitters and audio receivers. The Rosette adapters are solid stainless steel, so the cage arms are very robust. You can attach heavy loads and focus motors directly to these without any movement. Last two things, if you want top rods, you can add a rod bracket to the top handle like we have here. If you want to go to a studio bridge plate, you can take the baseline dovetail and attach it to our quick release bridge plate or any ARRI standard bridge plate. We'll drop on our camera package, lock the thumb screw. Then we can take our quick release bridge plate and put it onto an ARRI dovetail. Once that clicks on, we can adjust our position, then lock the lever. These products are available now at mid49.com.